Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 26th of March 2014. You're watching Bitstamp in multiple time frames, daily chart, long range candlestick, price bounce back up just right above the SMA 200, level of reaction, point of reaction, and now 2.5 candlesticks I'm being denied by the uptrend from the buyer's side. This is actually an overextended downtrend. This new potential high, lower high can fail because of the overextended trend. We might have a consolidation, and two connotations, two hypotheses can happen, and they are based on this particular previous patterns. Look at what happened here. It's very similar to what happens right now with this particular patterns or at this point. And as you can see, the price with the buyers try to push himself back up again, trying to deny more than 50% of the previous retracement. It didn't happen. The consolidation started kicking in, and unfortunately for the buyers, sellers managed to penetrate 604, which is the bottom support for this area. And as you can see, the sell-off just was continue, and it managed to reach the SMA 200. The other case scenario is this particular lower high can actually fail, and instead of becoming a lower high can become a higher low, and that's when opportunities will come along in the small time frames intraday, such as probably 60-minute chart, 15-minute chart, something that it might give us opportunities, because if the major time frames manage to create buying patterns, that's something that it might help this particular time frame to reach once again the minor resistance. But that's going to happen in the next few days. We'll see what happens. We got the two hypotheses. The bearish one could be the continuation if price managed to penetrate the previous lower levels, which are located at 547. We can definitely see the price going towards obviously another supports which are located in 400, something that it might happen. And the other case is the 12-hour chart. Look at the situation right now. We see that after the consolidation, price managed to break up, and right now is kind of building some kind of bullish flag or P formation. These particular areas might give us some kind of insight on how the behavior for the next 2 to 3 12-hour candlesticks will be. Something that we might have to be patient about it, and this consolidation can be something positive in case that the price and the volume decide to go with the buyers at that point. And this is the 240-minute chart. Price is still below the SMA 200. We have a consolidation, supports and resistance quite equal at this point. We need to have a breakup above 587, and why not price reaching the SMA 200. Use the SMA 200 as a support, ride the support for a few sessions, and why not another breakup might bring this higher low lower high failure from the daily chart, and why not the price will push back up again, trying to reach the minor resistance, which is located at 650. And this is the 60-minute chart. Price below the SMA 200, there you go, is trying to reach the SMA 200. We might see a situation where the price reaches the SMA 200 and uses it as support one more time. That can actually benefit 240-minute chart patterns, and why not the 12-hour chart could be next. Something that we might have to be patient about it, because this is major time frames, but that's what it is, and that's what the market is telling us right now. So keep an eye on it. Major time frames are decisive in whatever happens in the next several sessions, probably in the next 24 to 48 hours. Thank you once again for watching. I'm Lucano. This is Mundobitcoin. Have a great day trading. See you around. Goodbye.